Now it is now official. The new EC6, EC6 deliveries have begun, and the still was going to notice that these are some of the guys that received their cars today. And boy, I must say, it is looking absolutely great to officially see NIO start with the deliveries of the ES6 and the EC6, which they officially unveiled last week on Friday. You will know that the price of the ES6 remains unchanged at 338,000 RMB or $46,000, and the price for the EC6 starts at around 358,000 RMB. And these are the two models that usually do well in terms of sales. I mean, ES6, it is the best selling model of NIO, including, of course, when you even include their sub-brands in it. This ES6 has been the model that has been doing so well for NIO. And my dear friends, I have no doubt in my mind that this model will continue with the momentum of doing the most. Though the ET5 Touring has been closing in the gap, and if whatever the rumors of saying that it could be coming, or the 2025 ET5 Touring could be coming with the active suspension that we saw, or that is coming from the ET9, then it might change the game and ET5 Touring becomes the best-selling car under NIO. So to see these cars are starting with the deliveries today, it is always good. EC6, it is the top 3, or falls in the top 3 of the best-selling cars under the NIO main brand, because this car also is able to sell pretty solid, pretty good deliveries. And seeing it also launched last week Friday, it was very strategic, good, because by the way, in China, the SUV markets usually perform better than touring and sedan model market, which is something that is so great. So I am happy, man. I'm excited to see that officially NIO has hit the ground with their deliveries of the cars they launched on Friday. You will know that the primary reason why these cars are expected to do very well, it's because they are using or utilizing NIO's Shenji autonomous in-house driving chip NX9031, which is something that is just so great. This is something that makes these to be so special, or this makes these cars to obviously stand out from the previous models, because in terms of autonomous driving, these chips can take it to the next level from the kind of chips that the NIO has been using on previous models, which is one of the things, or one of the massive things that is really makes a difference onto this 2025 facelift NIO model. Over and above that, they are using SkyOS, the new operating system that NIO launched last year around September, which also that makes a difference. Otherwise, externally, you will know that, of course, the headlights have changed. Internally, the screen has changed to now a horizontal screen, which is something that is, again, very exciting. And I have no doubt in my mind that this car will do very, very well. So, yeah, man, I am very happy. I am excited. You will know that on the 25th of this month, which is, I think, this coming Sunday. I'm not sure if it's Saturday or Sunday, but NIO is launching the ET5 Touring and the ET5 mid sedan, and we are going to wait. We are going to hear some pretty good, interesting stuff from that event. And one thing for sure, or one thing is a certain, and that is NIO is also going to start with the deliveries of those models before the end of this month, which will give or boost the deliveries, overall deliveries of NIO. You will know that Deutsche Bank yesterday came and gave a prediction of saying that they are expecting 24,000 deliveries out of NIO. But can I tell you something? After last week's insurance registrations, I believe that that is an understatement, or that is an under prediction, because NIO, now at this very moment, I think they are already at 15,000 deliveries this month, and I don't think that these last 2 weeks NIO can just deliver 10,000. I don't think so. So it means that if they can be able to get another maybe 15,000 deliveries, it takes them to over 30,000 deliveries, which, if that is the case, it's going to be lights out, my dear friends. I think NIO should target to get on all-time high when it comes to the deliveries they produce, because if this is what is needed for them to be able to double sales this year, so it will be good if NIO can get to 30,000 deliveries. It will be so great. Investors will love that. 24,000, it's not bad, but we want honestly over 30,000 deliveries. And is it possible? I think it is, looking at these last 2 full weeks that are remaining to complete or to end the month of May. So I am very happy. I am excited. Blue sky is coming. Long term will win. Those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price will most definitely be rewarded with time. Share price wise, NIO, it's on a red as I'm doing this video. But one thing for sure is that obviously you know that there's been unjustification when you look at how the market is valuing NIO. If you look at Rivian and Lucid, both of them today, the market cap of Lucid is over the market cap of NIO, whilst the market cap of Rivian is going now to triple, or very soon it might be tripling the market cap of NIO. But can I tell you something? NIO sells way more than Lucid and Rivian, right? I mean, Rivian in for Q1 they sold like what, 13,000, but NIO on the other hand they sold 42,000. Can you see what we're talking about? Lucid on the other hand sold 3,109, but this company that sold 3,109 in Q1, it's valued more than a company that sold 42,000 cars in Q1. The company that sold 13,000 cars in Q1 is valued more than the company that sold 42,000 in Q1. I mean, this speaks volumes of what we can expect coming from NIO. But anyways, don't want to discuss about that. Yeah, I just thought I'd give you the latest developments, the latest updates of what we are seeing today. ES6, EC6 have begun deliveries, and boy, I must say, we look forward to what we are going to see in terms of deliveries. I'll see you on the next one. Blue sky is coming. Long term will win. Oh, and by the way, this is not also onto US EV stocks or EV companies, but even in China, if you have a look at the metrics of other Chinese EV makers like Zeekr, like XPeng and Li Auto, you will notice that when you check the PS ratio, NIO is the company with the lowest PS ratio, which is something that shows you that not only is NIO undervalued when comparing it to US EV stocks, but also Chinese stocks. NIO is that company that is so undervalued. But anyways, I suppose in the next coming days we'll also look at that and just unpack and unwind and really see the opportunities that lies within NIO. I will see you on the next one. Blue skies coming. Long term will win. Like, share, subscribe. That's all from me, and God bless you all.